The world is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here and it's transforming everything. From how we work to how we live, AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. This revolution is driven by powerful AI models, algorithms designed to mimic human intelligence. These models are capable of learning, adapting, and performing complex tasks. They are the driving force behind a new era of innovation. One company at the forefront of this revolution is Microsoft. With its latest innovation, Microsoft is poised to redefine the boundaries of what's possible with AI. This groundbreaking technology is called MAI. It holds the potential to reshape industries and revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. MAI stands for Microsoft AI. It represents a new generation of AI models developed entirely in-house by Microsoft. These models are designed to be more powerful, versatile, and efficient than previous AI systems. MAI is built on a foundation of cutting-edge research and development. It leverages the latest advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. One of MAI's key features is its ability to understand and process information like never before. It can analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and generate insights with remarkable accuracy. This makes it an invaluable tool for a wide range of applications, from automating complex tasks to providing personalized experiences. MAI is not just about processing information, it's about understanding and interacting with the world in a way that feels natural and intuitive. The emergence of MAI has sent ripples through the tech industry, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence. This new development has sparked conversations and debates among tech enthusiasts and professionals alike as they ponder the implications of such a significant shift. It's no secret that Microsoft's foray into in-house AI development puts it in direct competition with OpenAI, a leading organization in the field. This move by Microsoft is seen as a bold step, aiming to carve out a larger share of the AI market and assert its dominance. OpenAI, known for its groundbreaking models like ChatGPT and DALL-E, has long been at the forefront of AI research and development. Their innovations have set high standards in the industry, making them a formidable player in the AI landscape. While Microsoft has been a major investor in and collaborator with OpenAI, the development of MAI signals a shift in dynamics. This new direction suggests that Microsoft is looking to establish its own identity and capabilities in the AI sector. Microsoft is clearly aiming to reduce its reliance on external AI providers and establish itself as a dominant force in the AI landscape. This strategic move could potentially reshape the competitive environment and lead to new advancements. This competition, while potentially disruptive, is ultimately a positive development for the field of AI. It fosters a spirit of innovation and drives companies to push the boundaries of what is possible. It's driving innovation at an unprecedented pace, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and leading to the development of even more powerful and sophisticated AI systems. As these tech giants clash, the ultimate beneficiaries are the consumers and the industry as a whole, witnessing rapid advancements and groundbreaking technologies. Microsoft's ambitions for MAI extend far beyond simply competing with OpenAI. The company is not just looking to match the capabilities of other AI giants, but aims to set new standards in the industry. The company envisions a future where AI is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of our lives, empowering us to achieve more than ever before. Imagine a world where your devices understand your needs and help you in ways you never thought possible. MAI is at the heart of this vision. It represents Microsoft's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Microsoft sees MAI as the key to unlocking a new era of productivity, creativity, and innovation. This isn't just about making existing tasks easier, it's about creating entirely new ways of working and living. The company plans to integrate MAI into its entire product ecosystem, from its flagship operating system, Windows, to its suite of productivity tools like Microsoft Office. This means that whether you're working on a document, analyzing data, or collaborating with colleagues, AI will be there to assist you every step of the way. And its cloud computing platform, Azure. The integration of MAI with Azure will provide unparalleled computational power and flexibility. This integration will enable users to interact with technology in more natural and intuitive ways, automating tasks, providing insights, and enhancing decision-making processes. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only understands your commands, but also anticipates your needs. Microsoft is also committed to making MAI accessible to developers and researchers worldwide, providing them with the tools and resources they need to innovate, fostering a collaborative ecosystem for AI innovation. By doing so, Microsoft hopes to drive the next wave of technological advancements, ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared globally. Section 5 MAI in action, transforming industries. The potential applications of MAI are vast and far-reaching, spanning across various industries. In healthcare, MAI is being used to develop advanced diagnostic tools, personalized treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. Its ability to analyze medical images, genetic data, and patient records with remarkable accuracy is revolutionizing the way healthcare is delivered. In finance, MAI is being deployed to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. Its ability to analyze market trends, assess creditworthiness, and identify investment opportunities is transforming the financial services industry. In manufacturing, MAI is optimizing production processes, predicting equipment failures, and improving supply chain efficiency. The rivalry between Microsoft and OpenAI is intensifying as both companies strive to establish dominance in the rapidly evolving field of AI. This competition is not just about who can create the most advanced technology, but also about who can integrate it into everyday life more seamlessly. This competition is often compared to an arms race, with each company vying to develop and deploy the most advanced AI models. The stakes are incredibly high, as the winner could set the standard for AI technology for years to come. Microsoft, with its vast resources, global reach, and established infrastructure, has a significant advantage in terms of bringing MAI to market at scale. Their extensive network and financial power allow them to push boundaries and explore new frontiers in AI. OpenAI, on the other hand, is known for its agility, innovation, and focus on cutting-edge research. Their smaller size allows them to pivot quickly and explore groundbreaking ideas without the bureaucratic hurdles that larger companies face. The competition between these two tech giants is ultimately a positive development for the field of AI. It fosters a culture of continuous improvement and relentless innovation. It's driving innovation at an unprecedented pace, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, leading to the development of more powerful, efficient, and accessible AI tools. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize industries and improve quality of life on a global scale. This race to the top is not just about market share, it's about shaping the future of AI and its impact on society. The outcome of this battle will influence how AI is integrated into our daily lives and how it will shape the world for generations to come. The emergence of MAI has sparked intense debate among industry experts, with opinions divided on whether it has the potential to surpass OpenAI as the leading force in AI. Some experts believe that Microsoft's vast resources, strategic vision, and established infrastructure give it a significant advantage in the AI race. They argue that MAI's seamless integration into Microsoft's product ecosystem, combined with its accessibility to developers and researchers worldwide, will accelerate its adoption and enable it to capture a dominant market share. Other experts, however, remain cautious, pointing out that OpenAI has a proven track record of innovation and a strong research-driven culture. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and MAI is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping this transformative technology. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see MAI integrated into even more aspects of our lives, from our homes and workplaces to our cities and infrastructure. MAI-powered virtual assistants will become increasingly sophisticated, anticipating our needs and seamlessly connecting us to the information and services we need. In healthcare, MAI will enable personalized medicine to become a reality, tailoring treatments to individual patients based on their unique genetic makeup and lifestyle. In education, MAI-powered tutors will provide personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's pace and learning style. The development of MAI marks a significant milestone in the evolution of AI. It represents a bold step by Microsoft to establish itself as a leader in this transformative technology. While it remains to be seen whether MAI will ultimately surpass OpenAI as the dominant force in AI, its emergence has undoubtedly intensified the competition, driving innovation at an unprecedented pace. As AI continues to advance, it will undoubtedly reshape our world in profound ways, and MAI will be at the forefront of this transformation. The future of AI is bright, and Microsoft, with MAI as its flagship AI technology, is well positioned to shape this exciting future.